Chugga chugga choo-choo, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga chugga, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga choo-choo, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga chugga. Here comes the train. Chugga chugga choo-choo, racing down the track. Chugga chugga chugga, hear the noise it makes. Chugga chugga choo-choo, clickety clickety clack. Chugga chugga chugga, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga choo-choo, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga chugga, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga chugga, choo-choo train. Chugga chugga chugga, hear the whistle blow. Chugga chugga choo-choo, see the wheels turn. Chugga chugga chugga, the driver's having fun. Chugga chugga choo-choo, watch the coal burn. Chugga chugga choo-choo, let's sing with me. The leaves from the tree are falling down, falling down, falling down. The leaves from the tree are falling down all through the town. The leaves from the tree are falling down, falling down, falling down. The leaves from the tree are falling down all through the town. Let's pretend to be leaves that falling from the trees. Can you make a whoosh sound with your mouth? Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. 5 little pumpkins sitting on the gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There was chill in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "I want to have some fun." The fifth one said, "Let's run and run and run." So whoosh went the wind, went out the light, and 5 little pumpkins went out of the sight. Repeat this rhyme after me. Let's say it together. 5 little pumpkins sitting on the gate. First one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There was chill in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's go to have some fun." The fifth one said, "Let's run and run and run." So whoosh went the wind, went out the light, and 5 little pumpkins went out of the sight. I have a little spider. I am very fond of him. He climbs up to my shoulder and then up to my chin. He climbs down to my arm and then down to my leg. He is tired, little spider. Let's put him into bed. Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Autumn is a magical time of the year. Air outside getting colder. Some trees changing their color into bright yellow and red. And it's the time when farmers pick up their harvest that they planted in spring. You can see pumpkins outside, golden sun, and days getting shorter. Sometimes it's raining, but when autumn comes, it means that we will celebrate very soon Halloween and Thanksgiving. See, during the fall, when the weather gets a little colder, the leaves on the trees start to change their color. They go from green, like this, to beautiful colors like red, orange and yellow, just like this. Can you help me to sort the leaves by color? We have 3 baskets for red, orange and yellow leaves. And we need to choose which leaf goes to which basket. Here we go. What color is the first leaf? Red, orange or yellow? It's orange color. Then it goes into the basket with orange leaves. One more leaf. What color is it? It's a yellow color. Yellow color. Then it goes into the basket with yellow leaves. Next, what color is this leaf? It's a red color leaf. It goes to the basket with the red leaves. Great job! You know all the colors. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Guess what, friends? I have a surprise for you. Today we have a special game to play with our felt bear friend. We are going to help the bear get dressed for different type of weather. Are you ready? Let's say it's raining outside. How should we dress our bear for this weather? Should we put him in a t-shirt and a cap? I don't think so. He's gonna get cold. Okay, what else do we have? Winter jacket? No. For rainy weather, our bear is gonna need a raincoat. A yellow raincoat. And if he wants to jump in the puddles, he's gonna have a rain boots. Rain boots. Something is missing here. What could be missing? An umbrella is missing. Umbrella. Our bear needs an umbrella. Now our bear is ready to go outside in the rainy weather. Great job, friends! Okay, the next weather. It's not raining, but it's cloudy and it's chill. How can we dress our bear for chill weather? Should we put him in a winter jacket? No, he's gonna get too hot in the winter jacket. It's chill, but not freezing. Okay. T-shirt? No, he's gonna get cold. In a winter jacket, he's gonna get too hot, but in a summer t-shirt, he's gonna get too cold. Okay, what else do we have left? We have sweater with a pants and a scarf. I think it's a great choice. Let's dress our bear in a sweater with a scarf and the pants. Great! Oh, look, there is also sneakers. Sneakers. Okay, let's put sneakers on our bear. And if the sun is gonna come out, then he can put sunglasses. Sunglasses, but just in case sun is gonna come out and it's still chill. Okay, thank you, friends. Now our bear knows how to dress up to go outside. But do you know that sometimes it's raining in autumn and if there is sun out, then you can see rainbow. Let's call the names of the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's repeat one more time. Red, orange, yellow, and green, blue, indigo, and violet.